microfiber kitchen towel set. Microfiber, I'm sure you know, if you're a regular viewer of QVC, we've been doing microfiber for years.
Sure.
And we have lots of different microfiber type products. This is taking microfiber and all its wonderful benefits and giving it that wonderful design element of Temp-tations.
That's right. It's where you want to proudly put it in your kitchen, in your powder room, use it all the way around the house. So you're going to receive 6 different towels. You're going to receive 2 of the 18 by 18. So these are going to be your largest. I love to say you can go ahead and actually fold these and hang those if you wanted to over your stove behind us on top of the oven there. And then we have 4 of what I like to call kind of your paper towel size. These are going to be the ones you're using all the time, day in and day out, where these might be a little bit more decorative. So 4 of the 12 by 12s, 2 of the 18 by 18, and then exactly what you just said, microfiber. And why do we love microfiber? Because it's the best multi-surface cleaner possible.
Yeah, it's amazing.
No chemical.
If you've never used microfiber, once you try, and I strongly urge you to do it, place your order and get these home for $22, you'll be like, why did I not use microfiber sooner?
Yeah, well, it's so absorbent, right? So you're able to clean those glasses, pick up all of those messes, and again, without any chemicals, which is one of the things that I absolutely love. So when you have something that's baked on or caked on, all you're gonna do is kind of reconstitute it with a little water, and then you're able to, look at that, pull it right up and wipe it away. They go right in the washing machine, which is fantastic. Just, you can put them in the dryer on low, just no fabric softener.
Now, we launched these around about a week or so ago, and since then, around about 9,000 of you have placed orders. Here in the early hours of Sunday morning, 6:36 here on the East Coast. Good morning to you. Welcome to our Now You're Cooking event, a 24-hour, all-day-long event featuring all of your favorites. Obviously, we had to have Tara with Temp-tations in the day today. But this is something that if you want to take advantage of, get it right now. Take advantage, because if there's a particular color, and we have got different color options,
we do
for
down
you,
in the front.
You don't want to miss out on the one that you particularly want to go for.
Do you want me to run you through those real quick?
Shall we run through colors? Yeah, I think we
yes, perfect. Okay, so we were showing you the green up here, and we'll remind you of that when we get down. Here's our romance. So if you love that kind of heart detail and that beautiful pop of red, we have romance. We have shamrock. These are our seasonal. We have what we call our egg hunt, so we have that gorgeous egg detail. And then we have summer, so that's gonna be your teal background with the shells. Then we get into your traditional colors right after we show you patriotic. So again, that goes back with your firework fetty. Then we have your classic green, we have your red, your cranberry next door to that eggplant. I love that beautiful purple. Then of course we have your brown, we have your spice, and last but not least, we have your black.
By the way, a couple of updates numbers-wise. The eggplant we've only got around about 3 dozen of, and then there was one, the egg hunt, we've only got about 300 of. Now, bear in mind, egg hunt, Easter themed.
Yes.
Easter is not long.
Right.
Get it now. Something fabulous. Once again, it's just the extra, the icing on the cake when you have something that themes to a particular holiday.
Yeah.
I think it's always nice to have that, isn't it?
Look how fun this is. Here we actually, so here's, I want to show you a couple of things. So dusting, wiping down, of course, those glasses. That's what I love it for. Being able to, again, clean your windows if you needed to, your computer screens. What I love about it is no chemicals needed, our mirrors, and because you get the 2 different sizes, I love that towel size becomes the perfect partner, whether you're using it in the bathroom, whether you're leaving it in the bathroom because they're decorative, whether you're using them, of course, to wash your face if you want to, all your stainless steel appliances. This is perfect. Again, your Oster oven, cleaning up that glass and the spills from the microwave. Again, stop using so many paper towels. These are reusable that you can continue to use throughout, and then just wash them real quick, which I love, and then just dry them, no dryer sheets, of course.
Yeah, it's so simple but so effective, and that's why I literally all around my house now I have microfiber cloths, because once you've cleaned with microfiber, you never want to go back. And also, when like we were talking about paper towel, the amount of paper towel you can waste.
Yes, of course, and I'm guilty of doing it too, but so I try to get into the habit of always using this. Here, we just did a couple of them, rolled them up, put them with some of our philosophy, tucked them into one of our bakers, and isn't that the sweetest little gift? And now they can leave it on the back of their commode if they wanted to, and it's perfect for their bathroom.
Fabulous. We've got enough time to quickly run through the colors one more time.
Let's do it. Okay.
Because we're almost out. You don't have to do any more cleaning. That's the good news.
I like that.
We don't have enough time.
I like spending my morning with you.
All right.
Okay.
Let's quick colors quickly.
Black, and remember the mixed pattern. So you're seeing that there. Our spice. There's our brown, the eggplant, the cranberry, the red, your green. So those are your classic Old World and Floral Lace colors. Then we get into our seasonal, the patriotic, the summer, the egg hunt, the shamrock, and of course your romance with the beautiful hearts.
Perfect. $22 is that QVC price, and we got 5 easy payments there. Just $4.40 on those easy payments. K48741, K48741. 6-piece printed microfiber towels. Remember, you're going to get 4 of the 12 by 12 inch kitchen towels and 2 of the 18 by 18 inch. 100% microfiber. You can machine wash them. You can tumble dry, but just don't use any fabric conditioner or dry.